Okay everybody, or hey everybody, sorry. Hey everyone, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm in Tirana, Albania, and I'm going to see the Albanian angel, the angel of Albania. And so I'm here, and there's a bus here, a couple of buses here, but there's a problem. Let me show you the problem. So you can see the bus, and there's a bus in front of here, and there's this guy here, and he told me that, and it's all locked. It's totally sealed. And he said that everybody off the buses goes through the crack. Can you see the crack? And that's how you get through to the Angel of Albania. And then you walk up this thing. And my initial reaction is that I'm going to prison. But I don't understand how there could be buses here. Did they all go through that crack? There's no way that keyhole was like broken, so there's no way the keyhole works for that gate. You know, and I come back to that thing, you know, that if there's trouble to be found, Eric's gonna find it, one way or another. So anyway, well, I'm going to see the Angel of Albania, or the Albanian angel. Okay, whatever. It's on top of this hill as a statue and a bunch of graves, I think. Okay, let's do it. Bye. Okay, well, it's quite the climb. And, you know, the guy told me to go through the hole. I can't imagine that he's just sitting there for fun, but look at the stairs. Holy crap. Yeah. And that's the angel up there on top. So if I get up here and there's like hundreds of tourists. Ooh, a sign. Shiny sparkle. Squirrel. Is any of it in English? Well, you figure that, not a bit. But the shade and the breeze feels wonderful. But it looks like I'm climbing this anyway. So the Angel of Albania. Holy crap. And it looks like I didn't break in. I didn't have to break anything. The guy pointed at it and told me to go through the hole. I didn't do anything wrong. All right. Let's focus on the site and not the crime aspect of Eric's behavior. Too many slickets. So, Mom, when I call you and need to be bailed out of an Albanian prison, just send money. Yeah, right. She doesn't even answer the phone. I'm really praying that there's a bunch of tourists up here. I mean, there's a bus parked there. Please, let there be 100 tourists here. Okay, well, it doesn't look like my dream came true. Oh my gosh, okay, well. Well, we might as well get a picture of the Albanian angel before prison, or after prison, or during prison. And I thought I saw a bunch of tombs in the pictures, and that's pretty amazing. This is reminding me of Bulgaria. They have all these huge statues and well, there's a crypt. I have no idea, everybody, but it looks like I'm up here alone. And that guy is getting paid for every innocent American they can send up here to get in trouble. Okay, everybody, well, this is the Angel of Albania, or AKA American prison sentence. Yeah, no clue. Okay, what does this say? Nëna Shqipëri, 1972. I have no clue. Oh, there's all the crypts over there. Let's go look over there. It was like almost a 3-mile walk to here, so it was quite the endeavor. And it was up on top of a mountain. You can see the view from here. Pretty amazing. There's hoses, so somebody's watering something. And there's a car over there. Okay, well, I got no clue, everybody. And there's no information signs. And there's a guy over there. Can you see the guy? So I think I'm gonna go sit behind the statue. You know, I'm all for out of sight, out of mind. Lavdi dëshmorëve. That's what that says, and that means the God above in all his glory. Yeah, you believe that, we're all in trouble. Okay, well, this is the Angel of Albania, everybody. Thanks for coming along. I think I'm going to vacate quickly. Goodbye.